Are you looking to earn extra income? Stay tuned as we count down the top 5 side hustles you can start today. We've got a fantastic lineup of opportunities that could transform your financial future. You won't want to miss these great opportunities, so stick around. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content like this. Kicking off at number 5, we have freelance writing. This side hustle involves crafting unique articles, blogs, or even books for clients. It's a flexible gig that allows you to earn on your own terms. With writing skills and a bit of creativity, freelance writing could be your ticket to extra cash. At number 4, we're looking at online tutoring. Imagine sharing your expertise while setting your own schedule. It's not just rewarding, it's flexible too. So if you're a whiz in a particular subject, online tutoring could be your perfect side hustle. Coming in at number 3, we have e-commerce. Imagine setting up your own online store, selling products you're passionate about. The digital world offers a vast marketplace ripe with opportunities. With a unique product and a bit of marketing, e-commerce could be your path to extra income. At number 2, we're looking at blogging. Imagine turning your unique experiences into stories and making money from it. Through advertising and affiliate marketing, blogging can become a lucrative side hustle. If you enjoy writing and sharing your experiences, blogging could be your ideal side hustle. And finally, our top pick for a side hustle is freelance digital marketing. This field is booming with opportunities as businesses are increasingly seeking online presence. It's a versatile gig that allows you to work from anywhere, at any time. The potential earnings can be quite impressive. You could be assisting with social media campaigns, improving search engine rankings, or even crafting compelling online content. With a knack for social media and a bit of SEO knowledge, digital marketing could be your golden ticket. So, there you have it, the top 5 side hustles to start today. From number 5 to our top pick, these options offer ample opportunities to turn passion into profit. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below which side hustle you're most excited about. Remember, the key to a successful side hustle is to find something you're passionate about and turn it into a money-making venture. You've got this.